So I just thought that why can't we build some AI tool that can apply automatically to the jobs instead of we being there. So when I got the thought, I just want to build it for the Naukari. A very simple tool that can auto apply. So I use the Selenium, and what it will do is that it will automatically open a web driver, and it will open the web driver using the Selenium library, and it start applying for the jobs. So it will log in. You need to give your login credentials here at the bottom. You can see here email and the password, and here you can give it like keywords, like which kind of a job that you are role that you are looking for, like planner or software engineer or Python developer, whatever you want to give, you can give it at the bottom. And the location, you can give mention your location and the experience and the industry that you are looking for, and how many jobs that you want it to be applied. I gave it as a maximum 5. So later on you can change it. It will take breaks between each and every step, so that it will take the random break. It's not like a fixed break, so that it won't detect it as a bot. And the moment you press here, let me just enter my credentials and show you how can we run this. Okay, let me run this program. I just entered my credentials. Time, and it will enter the categories that we have mentioned, and it start applying the for the jobs whatever we had given. You can see that I'm not moving my mouse, it is doing it everything automatically. See, so it worked like that. Here you can see in this portal like keywords. So I have given this blank keyword. So see, you can see here it is applied already for the graphic designer job. So I haven't given any keyword, so it was taken as a Bangalore, and I just took my experience and found 20 listing jobs and it starts applying for each and every job like that. So it works in this manner. So let's close this, and let's exit, and let's go to the LinkedIn. So after doing for the Naukari, I just want to try it for LinkedIn. It's very complicated. The job box that will be there where the job is described, the ID keeps on changing for the LinkedIn, so it's very difficult for to build it for a LinkedIn. But somehow I achieved it in a close up proximity. You can see here it's more lengthy code than that. It's and here we have given also another options where LinkedIn asks you every time specific questions when you're applying for any job, where the job publisher will give that in LinkedIn, like what is your experience, how many years of experience you have, you are authorized to work in India, what is your notice period, what is your salary, what is your expected city salary, and all those questions will be there. So for that purpose, I have given here a question keyword and the answer that it will give. For example, if in the question that whoever the employer is asking is has a keyword of experience, it will give 2. For example, you want this keyword to be more specific, then you can mention here total experience. Or here you want the salary to be divided, expected salary, and you want to also include current salary or current CTC. If you want to current salary, you can divide it like that. So automatically it will check for these keywords in the question, and it will give the specific answer. For example, all the questions are blank, then it will go for a default, which means if the question keywords it couldn't able to find, then it will give S in that field. And if you go further down, more down, it's very lengthy code actually. So it took a lot of time for me to develop. More down, yeah. You can see here, as I shown you in the Naukari, here also we can give the specific keywords and specific location and the experience. And in LinkedIn, we have a specific option called remote, which means it will show you the remote jobs. So here if you can give true, it will show you the remote jobs. Yeah, and max supply will be 10. You can run this, and after running here, what I have done is that instead of giving login credentials in the beginning, we can give the login credentials after pressing the run. So here I will enter my login credentials, and after logging in, then you need to come back to the code and press enter, and it will start again. It will restart again, searching for the job. Now you can see it automatically open up and enter the job details and I have given it as a blank, so it didn't search for any job. See, even though I have not given, it automatically search whatever is on the screen and found 8 jobs. Say mobile number I haven't given, it by default it has taken as yes, and it start applying. You can see backside also it has taken as yes. It is going to apply for the job. See, by default it has taken. See, everything it has given to, and now it is going. And it will apply for this job now. See, it had applied for this job. I haven't moved my mouse, I didn't do anything, it automatically applied. You can see here it had applied. It has also mentioned what are the fields that he has given. For years, I have given for years 2 to 2 as the default answer it has given. See what are the questions that are coming, and you can give the specific keywords so that it will go properly. It will fill it properly. Like that, you can use these two of the Python codes to apply for the jobs. But be careful, if you do it more heavily, there may be chances that your account may get blocked. So to do it very slowly, and you can adjust the sleep timers so that it will pick up the timing randomly and will wait for before applying for the next job. Before running this Python code, you need to have this library, then only it will run, then only it can open up the pop-up of Chrome and then run these codes. Thank you.